So this is a dough that we made yesterday, right? It expanded more than it double, maybe triple the size. So first thing you guys have to do is you have to preheat the oven. Thank you, Ron. That's rule number 1.
Preheat oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit and then grate cheese.
Yes, 425 Fahrenheit. I already preheated, so we'll be grating the mozzarella cheese. Use the biggest hole, okay? Also, you guys, you are not grating side to side. You're just doing from top to bottom, right? Okay, let's do the Herman. And number 2, Brian?
Punch down and roll dough into a circle.
So we'll do that first. So you guys will punch it out. Guys, what's in here? What made this dough rise? Everyone?
Yeast.
Yes, right? So what did the yeast did yesterday? They ate the sugar and created bubbles, right? CO2, so I'm gonna punch it down, okay? Ooh. On the rolling pin as well. Take the dough out. So you guys will be rolling it. We are making thin crust, so I'm doing from center to the edges. And guys, you don't have to make it perfect circle, okay? It will look more rustic if it's not perfect, okay? And I'm gonna place this into the pizza pan. Okay, this is a medium-sized pizza pan, and your unit has 1. Okay. And guys, I wipe the table. Make sure you guys wipe it, okay? Excellent job there. So what did number 3 say? Okay, you guys have to use a fork to poke holes. Yes, guys, do you know why I am poking it? Anyone? Any guesses? Yes, Andrea?
The air inside will come out.
Yeah, right? So if you don't do this, what will happen? Part of your dough might rise and then it will be hollow. We don't want that. So do you want to poke it? Thank you. So same thing, guys. Remember how to properly use a knife? As if you are holding an egg. Okay, so you're rounding your fingers. That way your knuckles will go against the blade. If you have your hands like that, you might end up chop your fingers. Okay, that's way you will never cut. Okay, hold on to your knife. Okay, and most of the knives will be sharp. I sharpen them. If it's impossible to cut your pepperoni sticks, please let me know, then I can sharpen it. It will gonna take a while, so what I will do, I'll just cut it in half, bring 2 together, and then cut it. Okay, my fingers around this, so blade of knife is going against my knuckles. All right, so you guys will get a tomato sauce. Gonna spread that, but don't spread. Okay, leave about 1 centimeter on the outside. Gonna do the rest. Just evenly spread it out. Okay. You can top with pepperoni as well. Okay, so guys, when the pizza is all finished baking, what you can do, just transfer the pizza onto the cutting board, okay? Because you guys will be using the shaft knife to cut it. So it's a thin crust pizza.